Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in BankIslami mobile app on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the BankIslami app. First unlock your iPhone and find the BankIslami mobile banking app on your home screen. Next, tap the app icon to open it. Step 2. Welcome or login screen. Once the app opens, you will see the welcome or login screen. Step 3. Enter your ID or CNIC. Next, enter your user ID or CNIC number as registered with BankIslami. Carefully check the details before moving ahead. Step 4. Enter password or MPIN. Next, enter your password or MPIN using the on-screen keypad. Ensure privacy while typing your login details. Step 5. Use Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric login is enabled, you can log in using Face ID or Touch ID. This makes the login process faster and more secure. Step 6. Tap login. After entering your details, tap the login button. The app will take a few seconds to verify your information. Step 7. Access your account dashboard. You are now successfully logged in. From the dashboard, you can check balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage your BankIslami accounts. And that's how you easily log into the BankIslami mobile app on your iPhone. Simple and secure. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.